They have that at the Lawson's. It's so different though. This Lawson's, they have it in Japan, yeah.
Right.
It's not the same. It's not the same. A little bit different. In Japan, they have a lot more Japanese food, and it's more like a family mart in Japan. But over here, it's weird. It's just like local foods and stuff.
Exactly. Yeah.
I don't know.
What is the number 6 then?
Okay. Can we get a number 6? Yeah.
How many?
Oh, and then one.
We're gonna share.
And then can we get 2 poi?
The
Or,
poi donut.
yeah, malasadas. Yeah.
Poi, yeah. I got it.
Not bad.
I'm thinking it'll go good together.
Yeah,
Not
because
by
you know
itself.
pineapple and ice cream is good together.
Yes.
But
yes.
alright, but I want to get your opinion first.
Okay, here, your turn now.
Oh.
Here.
No.
Or do I
Okay.
try feed you?
Yeah, you can be.
Here,
It's
because
food.
here, there you go.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Well, I didn't get a napkin. Oh. You hold that. Hold this. I sent it.
You
Got
want
it.
You might hold for you.
I got 'em.
Okay. Okay. This one tastes better. There was one I did have
How
on
is
the
it?
menu.
You like it?
That wasn't as
Was
good.
not as good. This one has more flavor.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I
This
like.
one has the pineapple taste.
Yeah.
A little
Yes.
bit of the tartness,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
Yes. And it's really good with the pineapple chunks, yeah?
Go ahead. Try it.
Which you know, but you usually get, but not today.
You could tell that the cashier, she was new. And so there's a lot of confusion. So they ended up just getting me the regular. I said, that's okay.
That's okay. No problem.
I never seen it before. That was
Oh, it is good.
Sorry.
Okay.
We didn't get the pineapple.
It's a good
chunks either.
combo. It's
It
a good
is.
combo. Vanilla and
Together.
the pineapple.
Together, yeah.
Well, my dad lived on Lanai, and he used to be
Oh.
picking pineapples. That's what they did
Oh yeah,
when I
yeah.
was in school.
Yeah.
So
During the summer break,
yeah.
Mhm.
So
big pineapple.
he thinks he's a pineapple expert. This is how you cut it. This is how you. This is not sweet. This one is sweet. Don't be fooled. You know, like sometimes you get the big size ones, and really it's
So how
it's
do
in
you
the
tell?
second level.
Which is how can you tell
I
if
don't know if it's
sweet?
true anymore.
Well, I guess in old days, right?
Olden days. Now it's not. May not be
The
true,
first pineapple is always the big one.
and it's not good.
But the second pineapple is smaller but sweeter.
Sweeter. Oh.